So this video it's about Wont trucks, about this problem. Yes, it doesn't do anything, nothing, and it doesn't even crank. So now, here we have two scenarios. One, not cranking and there is not even one active fault on the screen. And two, not cranking but it shows this message. First scenario.
Round 1. Fight!
Oh, engine not occupied. Yeah. Oh my god. So first thing I will check the fuses to see also if they are blown or if there is power. Ignition on, okay. Is blown. So this is for the fan, blower fan. So the fuse box is okay. There is only one fuse blown, but that's for the blower fan. I have power on all the fuses. So next thing, let's see what's under the cabin on the engine. So the main problem beside these wires, I don't know who worked this truck, but doesn't look so good. Anyway, so as I was saying, the main problem is this blown fuse which powers the ADC. So I've checked the CON wires and they are okay. When the connector is plugged, I have 60 ohms. I'm curious to see if this was the single problem, that blown fuse, but I don't think so. But let's see.
Fatality.
Well, you know, I didn't expected that. Such an easy job. If you know where to look, of course. Next, the second scenario. Let's see now. And start. Yeah. Yeah, well, this can be a serious problem. So it doesn't read the key, and it's impossible to drive or start. Again, this is not the first time, as you see. So here is the wire, 99125. Now let's open under the steering wheel. Just a short break. If you are also interested about car repairs, mechanical issues, electrical issues, and many other interesting things, you can check my other channel, Electric Cars. You will find the link in the description. Key reader, it goes there. This is plus 15. This is it. First we got to check if we have power on the 16,000. This one. Oh, and you got to have power only when the ignition is on, because it's plus 15, and we have. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was useful to you, and if it was, please hit that like button. It really helps me a lot. See you on the next video.